you want to become a millionaire? Invest in your 401k?
Sure thing.
All right. There are more and more people with $1 million or more in their 401k as companies like Fidelity and Vanguard are seeing record numbers of people and accounts of more than $1 million. Now, Fidelity said they hit the highest level ever when it comes to 401k millionaires with about, how surprising that's 3.2% of their 401ks, about 654,000 accounts are now over $1 million. Vanguard has similar numbers for the 401k millionaires as well.
And we always talk about how great the 401k is. And the thing you have to understand is it's just not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you look at it, it's a proven way to build your wealth long-term with proper investment choices. It is estimated that roughly 86% of those with $1 million plus in their 401ks are 50 or older. So again, it is a great tool for building those retirement assets, but it takes time. It is also estimated that around 1,000 people per day become 401k millionaires in the U.S. The key to becoming that 401k millionaire is to invest wisely, which means not too aggressive, but also too not too conservative. We see that far too often. I got all these bonds in there. I got all this cash in there because I'm nervous. That's not going to be successful for you long term either.
Yeah, it's understanding, as you said, invest wisely. Also, when a portfolio drops, you cannot sell everything and wait for the market to get better. You, an investment professional, must verify that you have good quality investments in your portfolio that can handle the financial storms. And also, it's important to continue adding to your portfolio during these difficult times, because that's, people do that. Like, oh, they panic, they pull out. Well, I'm not going to put anything in my 401k. I'll put it in the money market. Like, no, if you're doing it properly, as we always say, you're investing in good quality businesses long term. Don't worry about a 6 month or 1 year, even a 2 year pullback. I mean, you're buying things on sale.
Yeah, I was going to say, you know what that's called? It's called buying low.
Yes.
That's what you want to do when you invest. And when it comes as well to investing in that 401k, it's important not to pull money out from that plan. No matter how bad you think the situation is, it'll improve many times. And it is much better to deal with problems when you're young rather than when you're in your 60s, because you did not let your 401k grow to that $1 million or over that $1 million mark. And unfortunately, we see this, we've seen it in the past where people, they want to retire and they just can't.
Yeah.
And it's like, oh, well, you know, I took out 401k loans 10 times along the way. It's like, well, no wonder you don't have any money in the plan. You've continuously been borrowing against your retirement, which, you know, it sounds good in the moment, but gosh, it can really hurt you in those later years.
And the other thing too, I mean, the 401k millionaires, it's not people like super wealthy. It's your average person that, you know, was maybe a plumber, maybe, you know, worked as a teacher or whatever, and just put away the right amount of the 401k, invested it wisely in over 30, 40 years. Like, wow, I got $1 million in my 401k.
I've made the claim before. If you buy a house, you don't do anything crazy, you have a normal mortgage on it, and you do your 401k, put away 10%, and you get the match, frankly, there's really no way you can fail.
No.
Like, as long as you don't borrow against it, you don't do crazy investments. I mean, we've seen this before where we have clients, they own their home and they have $3 million in a retirement asset. They weren't making $2 million a year when they were working. I mean, they were just a normal wage job, but they did the right things along the way.
Right. And I think you said to the before the show, the average match is what, 4
4 to 6%.
4 to 6%, yeah. And that really adds too, because if you save 10%, you do very well. You add that match, now you're at 14, 15% you're putting away. That's how you get to where you want to be. And if you want, you can maybe retire at 60. You don't have to wait to 65 because you did it right. The sooner you start, the better.
Yeah. I mean, I've seen some people, it's like, gosh, you could retire at 55 because you did the right things along the way.
Yeah.